In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a QR code for Calendly. By the end, you'll have a clean, scannable code that takes people straight to your booking page, perfect for flyers, business cards, email signatures, or presentation slides. Start by opening Calendly in your browser and signing in if prompted. On the left-hand side, click Scheduling to see your available event types. Choose the event you want to promote and use the copy link option. That copies the exact URL guests should visit. If you prefer to send people to a general booking page that lists multiple events, make sure you're copying that main link instead. A quick check here saves confusion later, so verify you grabbed the right one for your goal. Now open a QR generator in a new browser tab and select Create QR Code. You'll be asked what you want to create. Since a Calendly booking page is a standard web address, choose Website and Continue. Paste your Calendly link into the website field, confirm it begins with HTTPS, and if you want to be extra safe, open it in another tab to ensure it lands on the right event and is publicly accessible. If the event is set to private or restricted, the QR code will still work, but only for people who have the necessary access, so set visibility according to how you plan to share it. Give your QR code a clear name such as Consultations Booking or 30-minute intro calls. This label is for your organization inside the generator or your files. Keep it concise and avoid personal information. Proceed to the design step and add a frame if you like. Frames can include a small call to action like Scan Me, which helps on printed materials where people might not know what the square is for. Keep usability front and center. Choose high contrast. Dark code on a light background. Leave a clean margin around the edges and avoid heavy logos or decorative elements that cover the code's finder dots or tiny squares. Simple and bold scans best. When you're happy with the preview, download your QR code. For digital sharing, PNG is a solid default. For high-quality print, SVG or PDF ensures the code stays sharp at any size. Save it somewhere you'll remember, then test it with your phone's camera or a QR reader. It should open your Calendly page instantly. If it doesn't, recheck the link you pasted in your event's visibility. And that's it. You now have a QR code that makes booking with you effortless, ready to drop into your materials wherever your audience will see it.